Hello. In today's video we are going to present you products from our company Ubridge, produced in Poland. You can see them on the left side, and we would like to compare them with products of our competitors, and we decided to test products from Sunmaster company and Zia Bosch. Currently, we produce our sanding blocks on 3 different types of foam. Foam A, foam B, and from foam C. What's the difference? The difference is hardness. Foam A has hardness over 30 kilopascals, foam B is approximately 30 kilopascals, and foam C has hardness under 30 kilopascals. Products A are dedicated for industry market, products B are dedicated for painters, and products on foam C are dedicated for DIY market. No matter what kind of foam we use for our products, they have the same qualities, the same glue, the same grain, and hard edges. Now we are going to do the first test and we are going to check the edges. This feature is very important for stable and accurate polishing line. We are going to test Zia product grit 60 and our product on foam A, the same grit 60. Let's check the edges. Here on the right side are very soft and you can easily bend them when you press them with a finger. You can see how the foam behaves and how the edge goes down. And our product, the edge is very hard, stable. You can't easily bend them or when you press with finger. Okay, let's check another product from Sunmaster, the same grit 60, and we would like to check our product on foam C with the lowest hardness. On the right side, Sunmaster products, soft edges, and our product, hard edges. Even if we press stronger, it's impossible to bend the edge. You can see how the foam, how the product behaves from another perspective, and our product. Hard edges is especially important for this shape, for angle sanding blocks, because by polishing and grinding we use mainly this hard edge for corners and surfaces difficult to reach. We have product from Sunmaster and Zia Bosch, and we want to check this edge by Zia. You can see how it behaves when we press this edge with our finger. Let's check it, pressing it this way. It goes in different directions easily. And now Sunmaster angle sanding block. Not only the edge is soft, but the product it's in general much softer. And we would like to check how it behaves by using the edge. It's very soft. Foam A, our product, edge is very hard. Even you can see that and hear the sound of hardness. Yes. And foam, yellow foam, the same situation. Edge is very hard and you can't bend this edge even if you press or beat it with your finger. Yes, it's very stable. It was the first test. We are going to do the second one, and now we are going to compare next feature, next quality, the durability of our products and our competitors. Sandmaster product, grit 60, and our product on foam C, the same grit. Now we are going to wrap, to polish two products at each other. This test is very simple. We don't need special equipment, special tools. Okay, after a few seconds, you can see the wear and tear of our products. There are some small looses on the surface, and Sandmaster product, you can see quite deep dents and looses of grain. We need 10 seconds more to see the effects. Yes, maybe there are some small damages on the surface. And what about this product? Yes, on the edges the foam is damaged, and here the looses are, there are some big dents. Yes, now we are going to use the new surface and the same product. And to be more reliable, we use the same grit, but now our product on foam B. This is the good surface, the new surface, and our product. And we are going to do the same test. We are polishing these two products at each other. And now we are going to check the surfaces of both. And here, yes, there are some looses, damages, dents. After next few seconds, you can see how the surface looks like. And in this product, the wear and tear of this product, it's much higher. Yes, here are the damages on the edge and on the foam. Sandmaster product and our product foam B. Yes. Let's compare a product from Sia Bosch, the same grit 60, to have reliable results, and our product on foam A, the same grit 60. And we start polishing and rubbing the product. Okay, let's check how the products look like. Yes, there are some small looses of grain at ours. And here is the product from Sia Bosch. You can see the dents here. Yes. Okay, let's check the results. Our product here, on the edge there are some small loses here on the corner. And now we are checking the product of Sia Bosch. Yes, here you can see the dents, damages on foam, on grain, and here on this corner, yes, you can see how the surface look like. I encourage you to do your own test, check the quality of products are offered to you. Tests are simple, easy, and you can do them without any tools and special equipment. And you can see the most important qualities of our products: durability, thanks to polyurethane adhesive, and hard edges. Thank you for your attention.